Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. I've designed motor controller with monitoring features. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the topic. See what this display is showing. Yeah, so see the motor is stopped. It is showing that the motor is stopped due to this error. See the error status, that is 1:0. Okay, so what is this status signifies? So this status, that is 1:0, signifies is that there is a fault in power loop as well as control loop. Yeah, there is a fault. See, the power loop is disconnected. This is the power loop that is disconnected. And see whether there is a fault in control loop. So this is basically the control loop. So it is connected to the system and there is no fault. So in the visual inspection, so I'm visually inspecting, so there is no fault, everything is connected and this power loop is disconnected. So let me connect this power loop after resetting the controller. So here it is. Yeah, the motor is running now. See, the motor is running and the power loop is connected. Yeah. So let me disconnect the power loop and see what happens. So I have disconnected the power loop and the controller is generating the error status, that is 1:0. Yeah, the logic is working. Yes, see the loop is disconnected. So there can be fault in this section also. Everything is related to the power loop and control. And see here the control pulse that is provided by this loop. Okay, so if there is any problem in this control loop, yeah, the controller will generate this status, this error status, that is 1:0. So let's reset the controller once again. So here it is. Yeah, the motor is running. So now I will interrupt the control loop. See, I will now interrupt the control loop. Here it is. So see guys, I have interrupted the control loop. So the control loop is disconnected. Yeah, see, the control loop is disconnected and the controller, so the controller is displaying this error, generating the error 1:0. So the error status is 1:0. Well, the logic is working correctly. So what I have to do, I have to reset the controller. So I can do by resetting, by pressing this reset push button, and also I can disconnect the supply to the controller. Yeah, like this means the whole control, the supply to the controller will be interrupted like this. Yeah, the controller is shut down. Now what I will do, I will rectify the fault. So now I have to connect this control, I have to make the control loop which I have disconnected. So like this. Yeah, the control loop is now connected, everything is sorted out. Okay, so there is no problem in the power loop, it is connected to the socket. Yeah, the power loop is okay and the control loop is okay. Now I will give the power supply to the microcontroller, the main controller. So here it is, this supply, I will give the supply to the controller. See what happens next. And here it is. Yeah, everything is fine. The motor is now running. Yes, the motor is running. Yeah, this logic is working fine. This controller is working properly. Yeah, everything is fine now. The power loop is connected to the socket and there is no fault in this circuitry, and also the control loop is also connected properly and the motor is running. Yeah. So now let's disconnect the power loop. See, there is error. Error status 1:0. Well, the circuitry is working fine. So guys, please do give feedback about this prototype, and if you all want a complete detail about this prototype, then please comment down below. I will make a video then. And if you all like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned with me for this kind of interesting contents. We will meet in the next video. So, ta-da, bye-bye.